Welcome to the Brutal Football League Season 15 Week 4 results. As we reach the halfway point in the season, things are heating up. Let's see all the scores. Syracuse missed an extra point in the first quarter. Baltimore quarterback Wally Wahlberg used a ball control strategy to keep Syracuse's explosive offense on the sideline. Baltimore took a lead to half. Syracuse was aggressive and recovered onside kick to start third quarter, but Baltimore's defense stopped them on fourth down. Baltimore's offense used ball control to run out most of the clock, leaving only time for the Avengers to score one touchdown to end the game. With no two-point conversion allowed, Baltimore takes the win. Green Bay quarterback Trey Dawson threw an early interception, but the Renegade defense forced Dallas to punt. Green Bay used a running game to get into field goal range and put 3 on the board. Dallas was forced to punt again. To start the third quarter, the Bandits punted for a third straight time. Then Trey Dawson hooked up on a bomb pass, which was followed by a 25-yard touchdown run by the Renegade halfback. Dallas lost the ball on downs, but got it back on a fumble recovery. Dallas took a quick field goal, but failed to recover the onside kick. The Renegades ran out the clock and took the victory. Cleveland turned over the ball on downs. Pittsburgh quarterback Gunther Gadget scored on a 26-yard touchdown run. Next, Cleveland punted the ball. Pittsburgh punted it back. Cleveland were aggressive on the last play of the first half with first and goal at the 8. But Pittsburgh's defense stuffed Cleveland's halfback for a big loss, and Cleveland came away with no points. In the fourth quarter, Cleveland scored a touchdown, and then Pittsburgh returned a failed onside kick attempt for a touchdown. But Cleveland returned the next kickoff for a touchdown. Next, defensive end Lorian Manda returned a strip sack fumble for 68 yards and a touchdown to send the game to overtime. Pittsburgh sacked Cleveland quarterback Roscoe Fogg in overtime to secure the victory. Northwest coach Harvey Wallbanger benched his starting quarterback for this game. Detroit quarterback Biscuit Veldertroff threw a touchdown and ran for another in the first half. Then Dan Casino came into the game to lead the Warriors to a field goal. In the second half, the Warriors punted. Detroit quarterback Biscuit Veldertroff capped off a drive with another touchdown run. The Warriors went on a long drive but did not score any points. The Big Cats stay undefeated. The Warriors fire their coach. Chicago quarterback Ray Sutler rushed for a touchdown to get things started. Oakland tried to convert on 4th and 1, but the Blues defense stuffed the run play for no gain. Chicago's halfback scored a touchdown to end the first half. Defensive tackle Shorty McGraw sacked quarterback Guy Sheridan, which forced Oakland to punt. Chicago's halfback fumbled the ball away. On the next play, Oakland's halfback scored. Chicago's halfback made up for his mistake by capping off the next drive with a touchdown run. Chicago recovered the loose ball on Oakland's 8 on the next kickoff, but Oakland returned a strip sack fumble for 93 yards and a touchdown. But they missed the extra point. Oakland recovered the onside kick, but the Blues stopped the last gasp pass at the Blues 14. Tampa Bay took an early field goal. Martin Fleek scored a touchdown to put Denver on top. Tyrone Stewart scored on a 63-yard run. Denver stayed alive with a defensive pass interference that extended the first half. However, the Legacy made the tackle at their 5. To start the second half, Denver drove the ball down the field, and on 4th and goal at the 4, quarterback Madison Avenue gained only 2 yards. However, Denver sacked Tampa Bay quarterback Eric Bofin for a safety. Denver scored a touchdown to go ahead 16-10. Suddenly, Tyrone Stewart scored on a 69-yard run. The extra point put Tampa Bay up by 1 point. Denver failed to get into field goal range. Tampa Bay enjoys another win. Looking at the standings, Pittsburgh, Baltimore, and Syracuse are fighting for the top spot in the East. Detroit, Chicago, and Tampa Bay are alive in the Central.